In this video, I will show you how to configure or set up PiP for floating screen on YouTube app. Let me show you how. Open up your YouTube app. Let's say, for instance, you try to watch a video on YouTube right here. I'm going to play a particular video. This video here, I can decide to play this video right now. So when you play this video and then you still want to continue to do some other stuff on YouTube, we can simply click on here, go back right here. Now you see this video here still floating right here on my screen right here. You can position it in anywhere while you continue to do another thing on YouTube, just like so. So this is what we call floating screen on YouTube. How can you achieve this PiP object on YouTube without any stress? Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. Then click on the setting icon. Then scroll down right here. Click on playback. The next thing you want to do right here is to simply turn on this button right here. Once you turn on this button, you have enabled PiP object, which is picture in picture, which allow you to watch YouTube video and do other stuff, whether on YouTube or on your phone screen. Like for instance, if I want to play another video right here, so I'm going to simply play this particular video right here. So when I play this video, I can assist from YouTube right here. So once I assist from YouTube, you see I still have this particular video being played right here on my phone screen right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.